Hey everyone, if you've recently upgraded to an iPhone 14 or iPhone 13, or maybe you're just looking to keep your current device in tip-top shape, you'll want to hear about the Ailun glass screen protector. So, why is this screen protector a must-have for your iPhone? Well, first off, it's made from tempered glass. This isn't just any glass though. It's engineered for maximum transparency and touch sensitivity. That means you get crystal clear visibility and your phone responds to every tap and swipe as if there were nothing there at all. Another standout feature is its case friendliness. The Ailun glass screen protector is designed to be compatible with most cases, which is great because you don't have to sacrifice protection for functionality or vice versa. Installation: a breeze. The package includes all the tools you need for a bubble-free application. And once it's on, you might even forget it's there, but it's always working hard to shield your screen from scratches and dings. And let's talk durability. This protector is highly resistant to impact, meaning if you accidentally drop your phone, the screen protector absorbs the impact, reducing the risk of a shattered screen. To wrap it up, the Ailun glass screen protector isn't just a piece of glass, it's a shield for your iPhone. It's transparent, responsive, easy to install, and tough against damage. For those looking to prolong the pristine condition of their device, this protector is definitely a smart investment. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to give your iPhone the protection it deserves with the Ailun glass screen protector. Catch you next time.